family. How are you guys? I hope all is well. Anyone who is new, thank you for joining Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. All right, guys, very quickly, I am doing a re-pour over 8 by 20 inch thin edge canvas. I was like, should I do a pour over this? I got some really beautiful pearls without my pearl recipe using my classic metallics. Really like it, but there's a few areas that didn't blend well as I like. And so I am reusing it because I love these canvases. But today we're doing something a little different that I haven't done in a while. So first I have the classics as per normal. I've been doing a lot of Pebeo iridescent gold mixed in with 24 karat. I have my Artist Loft favorite silver argent, gorgeous metallic. All my paints are a slight mound. And then of course I have my go-to soft body black by Artist Loft. And instead of using regular white on the canvas, I am using Bare 7300 pure white satin enamel. So let's get going. So I think with this open cup, I'm gonna kind of just let it drag itself. And what I mean by that is I'm not gonna, just take it off. I'm actually gonna let it tilt down the canvas a bit. Let's say air bubbles. Should I torch? Yeah. Maybe I should torch just a bit, because there's quite a bit. And I do want some smokiness, so that's why I've got the silver and the black. And you guys know I love the silver mixed in with satin enamel. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna let this tilt down a bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna come up high here with the black. A little bit of the gold. I think I saw a blob going in there. So when it's soft and subtle in some areas, stretch that out. Let's come in here and finish off the black. More gold. I'm gonna add some silver over top of that. That makes a gorgeous champagne color and I love it. I'm thinking I've got more than enough paint at this time. We're gonna finish it off with the gold and a shot of white. Okay. We're just going to pick that up. Let that kind of wander a bit. Slide around. See how gorgeous that is? These light striations that are there. And now I'm just going to twist this down. And when you do that as well, you don't end up with that big blob. And you also get some really beautiful patterns. Guys, I just love how subtle it is in the blending. It's a great way to get a marble design, and I just thought it would be super fun to try it with satin enamel. And I've done that before, but with an open cup, just to see what would happen. I knew I would probably get some pearls. But I wanted some of that marble design. Wow. Is it ever selling up, guys? As you can see here. Because of that, I'm only torching in certain areas. I don't see any air bubbles. I'm really loving this. I really love variations of effects. And I'm loving the charcoal here blend and those kind of bolder pearl cells. And then these ones here, you'll see better in the close-up. I've got tons of variations. I love the clusters. And because it was so reactive, I didn't torch everywhere. I just torched in certain spots. And as you can see, I've got little tiny ones that come up there. To me, they're still pearl cells, are just very, very miniature. And I love these. And I love the ones that look really cool with the black in them. I just really love the flow. Now, I mean, just imagine if the whole thing was pearls, this whole composition and design just would not work. But because I only torched in certain areas, well, to me, it turned out beautiful. There's some depth there. It's just beautiful. It's gorgeous. And that's exactly what I think I'm going to call it, guys, because it looks exactly like marble with pearls throughout. So I'm going to call this a marble pearl pour. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, very simple. With the classic colors, simple beauty. I absolutely love the detail in this. And you guys saw how simple it was to do. And again, this technique, it creates, open cups are a great way to blend when you stretch the cup that way. And that silver and the gold just makes this beautiful champagne, really soft, subtle blending. And I love all the striations throughout. And you can see how some of the paints are more reactive than others because you see the cells here and then you see the cells over here. So really cool variation of pearl cells, sizes and shapes, and I just love how this turned out. Love it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Same old dealio. Please like, share, and comment. Liking and comment really helps the video, and it supports the channel, and of course, I appreciate it. And please go ahead and double check your notifications. Please make sure you are on all. And until next time, stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I'll see you all in the next pour.